Hello, and welcome to the video series Cisco UCCE 12.X Build Your Own Lab. In this video, I'm going to be installing Windows 2019 server on the two VMware virtual machines. Okay, I've connected to my administration PC, and the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to install the VMware remote console software, since this is the first time that I've actually connected this administration PC to the system. So I'm going to go into my downloads directory, and I'm going to open up VMware remote console. I'm going to go ahead and install it. If you've already done this, you can skip this step. I'm going to click next, accept the terms, next, next. I'm going to uncheck this box, click next, and click install. And click finish. Now I'm going to open up browser, and I'm going to connect to the VMware server, https 10.100.0.4. Going to log in with root, type in the password, and now I'm going to go to virtual machines. I'm going to select Lab DC01. I'm going to click power on, and then click console, launch remote console. Check this box and click on open. Going to click always trust certificate and connect anyway. Now we've probably missed the press any key to boot the CD, so I'm going to go up here and click restart guest. I'm going to click in the window and then hit any key to boot. This will now boot the virtual machine using the ISO image. Now I'm going to click on English. I'm going to click on next. Click install now. Now we're going to do Windows Server Standard full installation. Click next. Accept the terms. Click next. Do custom Windows install. Click next. And now it's going to start installing Windows. This is going to take some time. So what I'm going to do is I will pause the video and I will unpause it once the installation of this part is done. Okay, we're almost done with the install. Just so you know, if your cursor gets stuck in this remote console window, if you press Ctrl and Alt at the same time, that frees the cursor, so you can move it out of the window. Okay, we'll click Restart now. You may notice there's a scroll bar on the right hand side. That's so you can move this screen up and down if you need to. Okay, I'm going to scroll down here and click on Do This Later. Now I'm going to come to the password. I'm going to use the same password. I'm going to click Finish. Now we're going to go up here, click on VMRC and click Send Ctrl Alt Delete and type in the password. I'm going to go ahead and click this checkbox and click the X. Then I'm going to click on the local server. And we're going to go ahead and change a few of these settings. I'm going to click on Enhanced Security Configuration and change that to off for both users and administrators. I'm going to go here, click on Time Zone and change the time zone. I'm in Central Time, so I'm going to change it to Central Time. Okay. I'm going to go over here, click on Remote Desktop, click on Allow, click on OK, and uncheck this box. Click Apply and OK. I'm going to go up here, click Computer Name, go down, click Change, and change this to Lab DC01 because that's the current machine that I'm working on. Click on OK. Click OK. Click Close. I'm going to click Restart Later. And I'm going to close this window at the moment. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and install VMware tools. And we can do that by clicking VMRC. Manage, Install VMware tools. We may have to scroll down here. Need to wait for a minute. Click on DVD drive. Scroll up here, click Run Setup. Click Next. Click Next. Click Install. Click Finish, and now we'll click Yes to reboot. Now the next thing is going to be setting the IP address, gateway and DNS servers. Now since this is the initial domain controller and we haven't actually made it a domain controller yet, the DNS servers are going to be the global internet name servers. This is so that the server will be able to download and install its updates. Once the server is fully updated, we can then promote it to be a domain controller. So again, we'll go up here, click Send Control Alt Delete. Put in the password. scroll down to the bottom. I'm going to right click on the network, click Open Network Settings. We're going to click on Change Adapter Options. Double click on Ethernet 0. Then I'm going to click on Properties. I'm going to uncheck IPv6. Click on Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. I'm going to click this box, use the following IP address, and put in the IP address of the DC01, which is 10.100.10.11, net mask of 255.255.255.0, and a gateway of 10.100.10.1. And for the DNS servers, we're going to put 4.2.2.2 and 8.8.8.8. And we'll click OK. And close. And close. And click on Yes here. So we can close that window. And we can close that window. We can click on Local Server. Now we can click on Last Check for Updates. And then Check for Updates. So it's now going to see updates, and it will download and install them. This process is again going to take some time, so I'm going to go ahead and pause the video again until the updates are complete. Okay, so the server has installed all of the updates and it has been rebooted. So now we'll go into local server again. And we'll go to updates. I'm going to check for updates again. So it looks like we've got some more updates to install. So again, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video until these updates are installed. Okay, updates are installed. So I'm going to again check for updates. Okay, looks like we're all up to date for all the updates. So that's the configuration completed for this machine. So we will then go ahead and do the same for the DC02 machine. So I can go ahead and just close these for now. And I'm going to go ahead and do the other machine. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe and like the video, and see you next time.